It's not that hard. It's easy. Just a little bit determination. You can do it. I think the oxygen level is low. This total madness. This is beyond repair. It's hard to recommend anybody to come here. That's where we're heading tomorrow. Top of Mount Kerinci. Rinjani deja vu. You cannot compare God's creation with human creation. Lens. Okay, action. Okay, Mr. Harvey from Spain. What's your thought on Kerinci? We arrived at the crater. Luckily, nothing bad happened. Please be careful.
Ada lumpur ada.
Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. If all the things you never show, there are the things I want to know. Secret start in your heart.
Let's go. Kerinci, Indonesia. 3805 meter elevation. Now start at 1825. So expected 2000 elevation gain. First day we will go to shelter 3 for camp. Estimate around 8 hours of hiking. Second day Sabit attack 4 AM. Then descend straight back to Kersik Tuo Gate. Wish me luck. That's all.
You don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you.
Let's go. Post 2. Post 1, post 2, post 3, shelter 1, shelter 2, shelter 3. This is water for Kerinci. Bang, berapa kilo bang? 2-3 kilo. Wow.
Secret start in your heart so slow. You don't wanna tell me
Sumber air. Mapala Adra Buana Setia Sengkulu. Wow, ini dah macam mantra lah ni. Selamat berada di Batu Lumut. Welcome to Batu Lumut, Gunung Kerinci. Let's go. Wow. Delicious. It's getting cold now. Elevation is 2130. Maybe I need to start wearing my merino wool buff instead of the cotton one. Okay, all eh? Okay kak, bang. Ya. Pagi cantik bang. Alhamdulillah. Okay bang kak. Masih kuat lagi eh. Terima kasih, semangat. Terima kasih kak. Sudah sampai shelter. Bukan shelter, pos 3. Pos panorama. Pos 3. Continue. Post 3 to shelter 1.
Mau sambung lagi.
Colors fade into the night. Stars align and shine so bright.
Iconic Kerinci, pohon bolong.
Feels brand new. I find my way back to you. Hold my hand as we move
Aduh,
underneath the setting sun. Breathing slow, the world stands still. Lost in time, but here we leave. Take me
Mana boleh kot.
in a
Tengok
place
jam.
that feels like home. Through the quiet, through the storm. Hold me close.
Jam suruh belok. Jam suruh belok. Oh. Petak deh. Lagi susah lah Im, kau ikut sana Im. Shelter 1.
Every breath, the wind that sails through the clouds beyond the sea.
Continue. Shelter 1 to shelter 2. Itu.
The setting sun, breathing slow, the world stands still. Lost in time, but here
Bawang eh.
take me
Bawang sana aman.
alone in a place that feels like home. Through the quiet, through the storm, hold me close and keep me warm. Soft and true, your gentle song guides me when the nights are long. In your light,
Wah, nyesal aku lalu sini. Patah balik lah. Slow.
Dapat kita bang ini bang. Sorry.
Tak apa. Memang tunggu orang keluar.
be a scene, city in color, the way that you see, the way you see it. Don't you wish that I could give you? I could give you everything.
Hello.
If you wanna
Hello. Jalan terus.
where the water meets the earth, we cling to. If you wanna find the edge, I'll come too. I could run around this world all day with you. Weightless, floating through the day. Trust that I'll be okay. I'm happy alone.
It's not that hard. It's easy. Just a little bit determination. You can do it.
Wait until you realize.
Goodbye, my friend. Pokok dia lain lah. Pokok dia lain.
Tadi beza dah.
Beza lah.
Sing it out like you want to, Dolly. Like you're 17. Let's
go.
Everything feels like a dream. Oh, I.
Apa?
Oh,
God.
I could show you this world around you. Through my eyes, my whole view. The place I love, the place I cling to.
Oh, ada orang rupanya.
Weightless, floating through the day.
Bentar ya bang, tunggu lalu. Terima kasih.
Happy alone. Waiting for you.
Heart rate 105. I think the oxygen level is low. Rasanya oksigen tak? Rasa macam susah nak bernafas. Ke biasa je? Penat bukan je pasal oksigen.
Do you realize
Still no clear view.
weightless, floating through the day. Trust that I'll be okay. I'm happy alone. Waiting for you. Wait until you realize.
Shelter 2. 3056 mdpl. Let's go. Shelter 2 to shelter 3 base camp. Then we finish for the day. Let's see how tough shelter 2 to shelter 3.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간
Let's go, my turn.
이해했어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네 너 때문에. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy.
Go. Dark in here. Open flashlight.
흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐.
I don't know you can see or not.
고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본다. 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데. I'm going crazy.
Let's go. Burung tikus. Mantap. Jarang tak mantap. This is total madness. Oh, there's a ladder. Oops. Ladder. In Kerinci.
I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴.
Finally, some sunlight.
I'm going crazy. Yeah. I'm going.
Today we do not see the sun all the way. Now already 4:12 p.m. Still no sun, no lights, all the way. Mist, cloudy. Hopefully tomorrow we have a very nice view. Hopefully. Finally, we find the sun. Thank God. Shine brighter. Oh. This is beyond repair. It's hard to recommend anybody to come here due to this Sabit. Sunset. That's where we're heading tomorrow. Top of Mount Kerinci. And this is our camp. Second day, summit attack 4:33 AM. Bismillah. Hope for clear. Ni deja vu. Go! Rocky road. At least it's not that difficult compared to Rinjani. cannot compare God's creation with human creation lands. It's different. You need to come and see for yourself. It's very magical. This is pyramid like shape. This is rare. Only a few can see this. Okay, action. Okay, Mr. Harvey from Spain. What's your thought on Kerinci?
Hey, I think Kerinci is really one of my best experiences of my life.
Wow.
The trek going up was super nice, so diverse, and so many gibbons on the way, which was amazing. And the views up here on the Puncak, on the peak, were so nice. I think it was my first big volcano.
Oh,
to go
first
up.
big volcano.
So it was, mind blown. Yeah, I need some time to process.
Okay, another question. What's your advice for people who want to climb Kerinci?
To take your time and enjoy all the way.
Yeah. I agree with that.
Yeah, because it's really special.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Harvey.
Of course. Enjoy.
Till you walked in and filled my life with light. Every heartbeat
Start
feels like a
to
brand
smell
new
the sulfuric volcano smell.
with you beside me.
So it's meaning that we're very close.
Oh, the world feels like it's spinning slow. Every moment with you, I want
Bawa kuat lah.
your smile's a melody. And every note it leads me back.
We arrive at the crater.
I'm falling into love, can't you see? It's a kind of magic, set me free. You're the reason my heart feels alive. With you I'm soaring, I'm ready to dive. Every word you say feels like a dream.
Gila.
You've turned my life into a sparkling stream. Even shadows dance when you're around. In your laughter, I finally found. Oh, the stars, they write our story above.
I can stay here forever.
If
it's not that cool. Now the adventure is okay. Wow, just wow.
Warm and kind. You've opened my heart, you freed my mind. I'm falling into love, can't you see?
Kerinci 3805 mdpl.
It's a kind of magic. You're the reason
Birthday.
you're my anchor, you're my wings. You life's a song that sings. I'm falling into love, can't you see? It's a kind of magic, set me free. You're the reason my heart feels alive. With you I'm soaring, I'm ready to
That's wow. Okay, this is our stop. magical. Okay, let's go back, take a few photos, then we will descend back to base camp. That's all for the summit attack. Oh, turunnya di sini. Let's go down. Jatuh. Takut sih. Descend slow and steady. No need to rush because the group is still at the summit taking photos. So we descend slow. Challenging. The sun is bright. Glove cannot be taken off because it protection when holding the rock. Let's see how we make it down. It's 8:36 AM and the view is still beautiful. Wow.
Gambar sini bang. Selfie sini.
Masuk video tu.
Okay, goodbye base camp. Descend to Kersik Tuo Gate. Shelter 2. Continue. Bang, jalan dulu bang.
Ya.
Sila. I start at around maybe 10. Shelter 1. 15-minute recesses.
It's crazy.
Is this the right route? Seems impossible to pass through. Don't remember going through this place during the ascent. Very tough, right? Took a wrong turn to water point. Now I meet again my friend.
After the water.
The water point. That's the two. One the to the post 3, one to the water point.
Yeah.
I took the water point junction. Luckily, nothing bad happened. Please be careful. Post 3. 1 cigarette break. Tumpang lalu.
Sendiri Pak.
Ada kawan belakang. Pos bangku panjang. Pos 1. Wah, sudah mau sampai ya. 5 minit cigarette break. At last we reached pintu Kersik Tuo. Kerinci Sabit.